Hello, this is Dr. William Neal, dentist, periodontist in Wichita Falls, Texas. I want to explain a little bit about face shield maintenance. I put some disclosant dye, food coloring in my mouth, and then sprayed, just talked and let that food coloring coat the inside of the face shield. Just enhance the visibility of the droplets coming from my mouth. So if I take this off and like this and hold a piece of paper behind it, you can see the droplets from my nose and mouth coating the inside of the paper, of the face shield. So that's the good that the face shield does, is prevent your sneeze droplets, nose, mouth droplets from just sharing that with your loved ones and work associates and anybody and your environment. So the idea is the face shield is very effective. It's better than nothing. Step in the right direction. So how do we clean that? Well, if you take a cloth, washcloth, or could be a paper towel, but you may run out of paper towel, so just a reusable washcloth. And you would spray that with Windex, and both sides, and then this side as well. And if you use paper towel, it may be more scratchy on the face shield itself, so I recommend a cloth towel, all cotton. And then you won't scratch up the face shield and interfere with the usability. So you can see that the face shield is pretty clean, and I'm trying to show that. Anyway, there you go. And then you would take the washcloths and throw them in the washing machine or the paper towel and throw it away. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you find that interesting, and hope to see you soon on the other side of this pandemic. God bless you.